Guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banking Crypto Night. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make passive income from staking by staking your crypto, your money on the UBITEX exchange. You are going to be earning passive income, and you're going to be earning at least from 0.60% daily income to 0.80% daily on your income. So firstly, before you go, I am Banking Crypto Night, and I thank all my returning subscribers, and for those people that have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribing button so that I can keep on updating you. So okay guys, now let me show you how it works. So this is UBITEX. UBITEX is exactly like other crypto exchanges, like Binance, Bybit, OKS, KuCoin, OB, like that, etc. So right now guys, they are rewarding people with their staking. You can earn about this APR. You can earn about up to 292% APR. So guys, and I believe many of you will not want to miss this opportunity. This is a big opportunity for all of us. As you can see, I have already started my own already. You can see earning, and you can see that I have about $109 here already. So UBITEX is a crypto exchanges like others like Binance, and they have their own token also, which is called UB. Their token, this is it here, UB. Currently UB is trading at this percentage at 1.62 dollars. You can see it here, and it's also trading on crypto exchanges, other crypto exchanges like MEXC and altcoin. Let me go and show it to you on CoinMarketCap. Let's go to CoinMarketCap and let me show it to you. This is me here on CoinMarketCap. You can see it. UBITEX is there on CoinMarketCap. So if we say we should look at the market where it's being traded, let's see the market where it's being traded. So this is UBITEX market. This is the market where it is currently trading on MEXC and on altcoin. You can purchase UBITcoin, you can purchase UB coin there. That is the UBITEX coin. You can purchase it there. And if you read more about them, you can read it here. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading, UBITEX exchange stand out as a beacon of, so you can read more about them there. So this shows that UBITEX is a legit, and they are not just a crypto exchanges that are promising people all those staking app that are promising people without having their what is backing them up. UBITEX is legit, so you can earn up to 0.80% daily. So right now what you need is, firstly, you need to download the UBITEX app, and to download it, check the description of this video. You will see a link there to register to download the original one, the original UBITEX app. When you download it, you are going to get about when you download it and use my link to download it, or you use the code you see in front of this video. For instance, this is my code here. This is my code, and when you use this invitation code, you are going to get up to 80% cash back on your deposit. So after you use this code, the next thing to do is to teach you on how to start your staking on UBITEX. Now let me teach you how to start the staking. So after you registered your account with that invitation code, you need that invitation code to get cash back. When you use the invitation code, you are going to get cash back of 80%. So after you use it, and you download the app, this is how the app will look like. Firstly, the first thing you need to do is to go up here to your profile and do your KYC. You can see my KYC is okay here. Just do your KYC. So after you do your KYC, finish with your KYC, the next thing to do, I'm going to explain it to you. Firstly, you need to look at this staking here. Let me check here. It's not more here. So click on any of these staking here. You see here, you can see 30 days. It will swap right now. You can see 90 days. After it swap again, you will see 180 days. You can see 180 days. So depend on the one you want to do. So the hot one right now, the one most people are doing is this one, according to them. So for the 90 days old. So if you look at it, they even still have something that will interest you. So let's go for this 30 days. Let me use it to explain for you. So this 30 days own will give you this percent every day. The minimum you can start with is $100, but at least have at least $101 in it. Have at least $101 on your wallet so that you can use it to pay for gas transaction fee, because of transaction fee. So you can look at the 30 days old, you will be earning 0.60% daily on whatever you stake with. On whatever you stake with. For instance, $100 will be giving you $0.60 daily. In 2 days you can get up to, that will be $1.2 in 2 days, like that, and your profit is spendable. You can spend your profit at any time. As you are collecting it, you can spend it if you like. So that is how it look like. If you still look at this, let's go for the 90 days again. So if we click on this 90 days on is, it will be giving you 0.80% daily. That is, if with your $100 you will be getting $0.80 daily. $0.80 daily. In 2 days you've got about $0.60 in 2 days. You can see it. That is how it will be going for 90 days. Your that one is for 180 days. Okay, let me find for 120. Okay, this is for 90 days. So and in 90 days your staking will be unlocked after that 90 days. And if you now look at this place, you will see auto reinvest, stake quantity, auto reinvest. This one, let me explain it to you. This auto reinvest you are seeing here means that after these 90 days that your capital should reinvest by itself again. But if you tick here like this and you tick out the mark, that means after that 90 days your balance will not auto reinvest again. It will just go back straight to your wallet. But if you put it on auto restake, then your balance will be restake again, and it will keep on generating you income. So right now, let me still show you something you need to know. For instance, I need to explain this part for you. You can see 40% USDT, 60% UB. So this is what they are trying to say. For instance, let's say you deposit $100. You want to use $100 to start. That $100, you need to use 60% of it, that is $60, to purchase UB, their own native token. You need to use it to purchase their own native token. Then $40 will be in your USDT. $40 will be in your USDT. So as you are staking $40 here, then this place you will stake, it will automatically show your 60%, then you will stake 60% there. So that is that for that one. That is that for that one. So if you want to purchase their UB token, this is what you're going to do. You come to trade here. So on trade, you have to change this. Click here, click on it and change it to UB. Search for UB. So you can see this is it here. It's currently trading at 1.60. Yesterday when I check it, it's not up to this, so it's currently trading at 1.60. so you have to purchase like $60 of it. So this is what you're going to do. You have to mark this thing and immediately get to $60, 60%. So you can see 60% of it, 60%. So I'm using my 60% to purchase right now at market order. So 60% will give me this. So all you need to do is to just click on buy. Let me put it on market order. So to put it on market order, this is where you're going to click, change it to market order. So let me put it on 60% and purchase at 60%. So buy immediately. So my I'm going to use $60 to purchase the token right now. Now click on confirm. Right now I have purchased the token with $60, and if you look here, you will see that I have $40 left. $40 left. So right now, if you want to, that is how to purchase the UB token. Then from there you can now start your trade, your staking. And remember one thing, if you want to stake, remember one thing here: your purchased token and the one you deposit, that is your USDT, will be on your spot account. If on you also, your UB will be on your spot account. So all you need to do is to click here and here to transfer it to your any account. So this is what you're going to do from your spot account to your any account. So you can check it here, spot derivative UB card. So you can see it here. So that is what you are going to do. It already shows here. So from spot to end account. So that is what we want to do. Do everything now, confirm. So that is it. Now click here again to find UB. This UB 3936 UB, which is about $60. Click on all, then click on confirm. We are transferring it to our end account. Transfer successful. Now you will see that it will show here that it's now successful. Now what you need to do, if you want to do your staking, this is what you're going to do. All you need to do is to just click on all, and start your staking. After you click on all, the ratio will show up here, and start your staking. That is it. Just click on stake now. So you can see stake successfully. But one thing I want you to understand is that, firstly, don't forget to use my invitation code. So one thing I want you to understand about this staking is that try to have at least more than $100 there. At least try to have at least $101, $101 or $102. Just make sure you have up to more than $100. At least $101 or $102 will be okay. So just try, make sure you have it. So as you can see, it's successful because I deposit more to my dollars there. You can see it is I deposit like $10 to it. You can see it. I deposit about $10 to it. So this thing have started working right now. Now let me go and show it to you right now. Let me go and show it to you. So all you need to do is to just click here at N. So N, you will see it here on N. You can see it here on my N. You can see it here. This is it here on my N. So it just starts right now. By tomorrow, I'm still going to make another video to show it to you. You are going to see my total earning here, and as time goes on, you're going to see yesterday earnings like that. So that is how it works. That is how it works. You are going to be seeing the amount you earn in USDT here, the amount you earn on UBITEX, that is the UB. You are going to see the amount here. So if you want to transfer it out, the amount you have earned, you can just click transfer it, convert it here. So that is how it works. You can see my money has come to end right now under the end page. So this is how to start your staking on UBITEX, and you'll be earning your money every day by day. You'll be earning. I go for this 90 days old, which will be earning me 0.70% daily, and I go with about $109. So that one will be giving me about 0.763 daily. That is the amount I will be getting in dollar. $0.76 daily. That is the amount I'm going to be getting. So this is how to stake on how to start your staking on your UBITEX. So guys, don't forget, if you are interested, this UBITEX is a new crypto exchange, and they are trying their best to recruit people in. So this is the way they can reward all their users. This is the only way they can reward all their users. And don't be surprised by tomorrow, or maybe in few days to come, when they meet their target of users, because right now their target of users is 100 million users. That is the target of users they want to meet. So maybe by few days to come right now, they might meet that target users, and all these stakings, high staking APR you are seeing here, you might not be able to get it again. It might only be for those early users. So if you are seeing this right now, don't forget to use this opportunity and stake on your UBITEX. On UBITEX, you can still do many things. Trade, you earn from them, and they also earn from you, because you give them opportunity. You give them opportunity to be popular. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to use the invitation code you see on this video. Don't forget to use the invitation code to get 80% cash back on your deposit on UBITEX. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, share this video, and also comment in the comment section. So guys, goodbye from